Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable my Deputy Supervisor, Mrs. Fahmi Ramadan Kizim, SPDMA. First, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to me. My name is Novelia Andeska, and I am a student of the Economic Department with student ID number 2010512003. Today, I am here to present my undergraduate thesis titled Analysis of the Impact of Internet Usage on the Income of Informal Workers in Papua Province using propensity score making method. Before starting my presentation, I am going to divide my presentation into some main parts. First, I will discuss the problem of the research. Second, I will talk about the methodology of my research. Three, I will explain the results and findings of the research. And finally, I will conclude my presentation by summarizing the key points and discussing the implications based on the findings. First, we are going to start the problem of the research. The core issue addressed in my thesis is according to survey from Badan Pusat Statistik, internet usage in Indonesia increased from about 62% in 2021 to over 66 in 2022, mainly due to the growing number of people owning mobile phones. In 2021, about 91% in households had mobile phones, and this expanded to nearly 68% of the population by 2022. The highest internet usage was in Jakarta, with 86% of people online, while the lowest was in Papua with only 26 due to graphic and economic challenges. The informal sector, which employs over half of the workforce, play a crucial role in reducing poverty. The internet can help informal workers become more efficient and boost their income by providing better access to information and market. Next, I will describe the methodology used in my research, which include for my research, I used secondary data from the Saturna survey conducted by Badan Pusat Statistik August in August 2021. The analysis was carried out using Stata 14 software, and I applied a method called propensity score matching or PSM. In PSM, I first estimate the propensity score, then match group based on the scores, and finally, I estimate the experiment effect using the effort experiment on the data. The main variable in my study work income is the outcome variable, internet usage as the treatment variable, and several covariates include education, experience, marital status, and gender. So, following that, I will discuss the findings of my research, highlighting my research results show that the effect of using the internet at work on workers in income is not statistically significant. The estimate effort treatment effect of coefficient was about 0.05 with a standard error of 0.17 and z value of zero point 0.3. This means that using the internet at workers does not have a significant impact on income. Using the propensity score making method, we found no meaningful difference in income between people who use the internet at work and those who do not. Finally, I will conclude my discussion the implication of the finding and suggesting potential areas for future research. In conclusion, the effect of internet usage on income is small and not statistically significant in general. However, internet usage has the potential to increase income, and impact may vary among different individuals. To address the findings, it is important to ensure equal internet access for everyone and provide specialized training and education programs. Enhancing collaboration between the government and the private sector can also help. Moreover, using the internet as a tool can reduce economic disparities and provide greater access to economic opportunity, especially for informal workers in Papua province. And this concludes my presentation on my undergraduate thesis title, Analysis of the Impact of Internet Usage on the Income of Informal Workers